Welcome to the 8th day of September. Someone requested me to watch a girly show even though I don't want to.
You have to do what I told you to do, and that's final, Leo. Or else I will force you.
Oh man. Guess I have to do it even though I hate it.
You think about all the things that you love to do. It all comes true. You find a place you never knew where you're happy to just be you. And you find out what it's about. All your pets around make you dance and shout. We can be who we wanna be. As little as Pet Shop, you and me. We can be.
God. I hate this scene.
Oh crap. What the hell have you done?
No time to explain.
Kat's it. Intakin tos veden kallow, Varrenko Cambrian, YO3 Mademe Sikko, I am going to say you are in maximum security prison for 5, 4, 8, 4, 0, 2, 0, 8, 4, 8, 0, 3, 8, 3, 4, 3, 4, daus.
I feel better now.
Sweden, Kalu, Warren, Cook and Brian. You three made me sick. I am going to say you are grounded for 754321474744247243214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214843214days.
Ebola.